All right, in this next set of videos, I'm going to show you how to actually create a lesson from scratch using all the tools that are built into Nearpod. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we got to make sure that you're here at your home base, or Skittles Rainbow, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to choose Create. So go ahead and click Create. And from here, it brings you to our slide editor. And in this slide editor, we're going to choose the Add Slide option. And the first one that we're going to focus on right now is under the Add Content category. And that is going to be the slide. Now, the slide editor that Nearpod has built into it is pretty basic, I'm not going to lie. But I'm going to go over everything you can do with it. So you can customize the theme to which one of these that you would like. I'm going to go ahead and just choose this green one for right now. I can upload a background image if I really wanted to. So you can search the web directly from Nearpod. You can upload a file from your computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, Box.net, SkyDrive, or any of these services. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to choose one here, and I'm going to choose San Antonio. I'm going to do a real quick search for San Antonio. Let's see what comes up. Oh, look at that, the Riverwalk. Man, that looks really nice right now. So I'm going to choose that. So technically, I really didn't even need a theme, but I added that background picture there. And over here, I can not customize, but I can resize the picture if I really wanted to. Zoom in and out. So I want to make sure that it covers up everything and I have no borders showing. That looks pretty good to me. And then I have some text boxes in here. Now, as you can see, my text is black. It's dark. So I'm going to change that to have a white text if I can get that going. Oh, never mind. It's right here. Change the color of the text. Boom. There it is. Come on. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and change the title, and I'm going to say welcome to Nearpod. And in that title section, that's done. It'll resize the text as you add it there. Here in the body, I can add a couple of different features. I can add text, I can add a video, an image, or a GIF, or GIF if you're team GIF, and any one of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add, I guess I'll add an image. Okay, and I'm gonna put breakfast tacos, because that's what San Antonio is known for. That and barbacoa, but I'll just put breakfast tacos there. That looks pretty good to me. And I now have that image there. Okay, so it kind of overrode my background, but if I really wanted to, I could do something like this if I wanted. So you just play around with it, get familiar with it. Now, that's just the default one, but you can change the layout if you really wanted to. Right now it's set to title plus one element, but if I really just wanted that one element there, I can do that as well. And I'm going to change that. There we go. So I now no longer have a title or anything. You can reposition the picture as needed for any one of these layouts. So play around with those different layouts. You can do the 4 if you really wanted to. So just kind of play around, and then you can also do an audio recording. So I'm going to go over that. You can upload an audio file that exists on your computer, or actually Nearpod has a pretty cool little audio recorder setup, and you can actually record your own audio and upload that. I'm going to go ahead and choose that. Welcome everyone to San Antonio and to the Nearpod class for any ISD purchases. And I can play that back. That sounds great. I'm going to go ahead and save that. So on my title slide, I'm now going to have a little play button here, a little embedded audio player. And I'm going to preview it before I do anything else. And if my slide looks like what I want it to look like, and it plays, great, I love it. I'm going to exit that preview mode, save and exit. So I've now created my first slide, which is nothing more than content and slide using their slide editor. So go ahead and play around with yours. You're going to start building a lesson. that'll be due at the end of this unit, or at the end of this class. So kind of start getting yourself familiar with it, playing around with the slide, and start building your first slide within your first Nearpod lesson.